Hey guys, thank you for joining me back. In this lecture, we are going to be going through the final PSD design that we're going to be converting into a fully functional website. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we are back here. Let's open up the final finished PSD file here. And it's going to take a while because it's a big file. And this is the welcoming screen when opening Photoshop. So in case you're getting this missing fonts window, just press on cancel and you should be good to go. So this is the final website that we are actually going to build. And let's just zoom in here. First, select your move tool and just press on Control and plus to zoom in. So I pressed Control and plus 3 times, and now you can see the finished PSD design. Here we have the hero section, which is going to be our first section. We're going to code this on the beginning. We have here an iPhone, which we need to crop off the PSD, but we're going to do that in the later lectures. Now we have this logo here, which is also an image, some text, and the button, the call to action button here, which has a little iPhone icon. Now we have the navigation menu here with this effect on hover. We are going to be going through that as well. We have the background image with some effect here, some reddish effect that we're going to achieve that with CSS. Scrolling down, we have the app features section, which is consisted of 3 columns here. The title and some paragraph. The thing with these columns is that we are not going to be using any kind of template or framework. We're going to make these columns responsive with pure HTML5 and pure CSS3, so no frameworks, no shortcuts, and they're going to be fully responsive by the end of the course. Continuing on, we have the big nose section here because this lady here has a big nose. We have some background image with the lady, and then we have these text line to the left as well as a download button, which we will be going through in this course. Continuing on, we have the footer section. Again, we have these image here of the logo, and then we have 3 columns with popular posts, tweets, and about section for our imaginary company. We're going to be coding this again from scratch with pure HTML. We're just going to need to crop off these pictures, these example pictures here, but of course these will be just placeholders. I'm going to explain how to do that. And last, we have the copyright section here with 3 of the icons, social icons, Facebook, Dribbble, and Twitter. The copyright, my name, and my website here. We're going to need to crop these Facebook and Dribbble and Twitter images respectively. So here is the Facebook, for example, as you can see, to get a better view of the Facebook icon, and we're going to be cropping those in the later lectures here. So basically that's the whole website that we are going to be building. Now, if your first impression is that the website is too short, let me tell you something. The point of this course is to convert a PSD file to a fully functional website. Now, once you have this skill, once you have the foundation of this technique, you will not have any problems converting any given PSD file, no matter its size, no matter how large it is, no matter how long the file is. You will have the foundation after completing this course to be building any kind of PSD design from scratch. So now that we've got that covered, let's continue to the next section where I briefly explain on how to ask for help if you get stuck during this course. So see you there.